First thing we did when we came in, big hugs for each other.
That's right.
Did it every day. Next, Diane, I wasn't quite sure how you take the course, but it seemed like you really had a good time with it.
Oh yeah, I did.
It seemed like I asked you earlier. You said you felt some major changes. And
That's cool.
so on that note, thank you.
Thank you.
I'll sign at the end.
Oh, thank you.
Next is Janice.
Yay!
Also, I wasn't quite sure how you would take the class, but because you seem like a little. No, I'm not sure. It seemed like you're doing really good. I'm glad that everything really worked out well.
How about me?
You get one too. Not only that, next year you should see a major difference. Every day you're going to get better.
We want to hear from you.
Yes, we want to hear from you.
Yeah.
Eat a lot of good food.
Eat a lot of good food. You got to have a lot of green smoothies, a lot of fruit. You want to become Hawkman, right?
Oh.
Yeah.
Are you
There you go.
going to green smoothie? He hasn't had a green smoothie yet.
You haven't had one yet?
No?
No.
Wow.
I'm going to give you mine.
You want to try green smoothie?
Want to try green smoothie? Hawkman has to drink green smoothies.
I'll try some.
Yeah. Next is Bunny. Let me get Bunny a
Yay,
big hug.
Carly! Come on, Mom. Get your award.
Ray of Sunshine. Everybody's a ray of sunshine. Next is Tracy. What should I say about Tracy?
I don't know.
Tracy, what she did,
Get him a 10.
what she did, I remember, she made bracelets for, made bracelets and gave out bracelets to those people. At least 2 bracelets I know of.
Breast cancer survivor, yeah.
Breast cancer survivor. Next is Annette, my new best friend. Oh, okay. Next is Grace. Who could ever forget Grace? Look how beautiful she is.
Yay, for hey!
Arnold, can I ask you, how do you remember everyone's names?
Next is Lydia.
That's right.
Lydia,
It does.
Lydia was at 2 or 3 months now, right?
I can't
I remember we had a class, and she was my only person.
Yep.
I said to myself, after she left, she's not going to come back.
Can't get rid of me now.
Yeah. Anyway, I want to thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Next is Betty. Betty's husband came to volunteer here a long time ago, and then she's been on and off for a while. Now she's back again.
Yep.
Happy.
Thank
We
you.
never get Betty a hug.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Next is Lottie. Lottie gave me pens.
Yes,
You were here?
pens. I came in one day and had to sign
And
my
actually,
receipt. for the grill.
everyone is glowing. Have you seen the difference?
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Feel it.
Yes. Thank you. Next is Jayla. Jayla is very. She got a whole family involved. Her husband, her daughter. She's really spread it. She lost 14 pounds, I think, the first 2 weeks.
Wow.
And everyone, what did I say? Yay!
Yeah.
Okay.
We love you, Arnold. Oh, yes, we do. We love you, Arnold. We'll be true. When you're not near us, we're blue. 'Cause Arnold, we love you.
But anyway, that's true. I'll see you the other persons next week. We love you. Thank you for
Team, I'm a big believer in a 5-5-5 rule. It takes more than 5 minutes. $5,
5 ingredients.
5 ingredients. If it's more than that, wasting your time. Enjoy it. Don't focus on it. I like to focus on no energy on digestion. One love, one love, one God, one food. Try to keep it very simple.
You know, there are relationships of giving and receiving. And Arnold, I love you, but I want to educate you on behalf of all of us
Yeah.
that we want to teach you to receive a little more. We want to give back to you. We love you. So Arnold, just do me a favor. Open your hands. Open your hands, and we're going to send you the love.
Thank you.
And you're going to ask for help.
Also, like I had some stiffness on my first finger and my thumb on my left hand because I have a little bit of arthritis. But I couldn't bend my first finger all the way in before. It felt stiff. So now I can bend it all the way down. So that's a great improvement. It must be all the vegetables and all the green smoothie that I've been eating.